Welcome back, everybody. We're here at IMTS. We're at the Liebherr booth. We're with my buddy Felix. Now, Felix, when we were down in Florida, man, you kept talking about obviously the products here at Liebherr and the industries that you impact, but your team, man, and how valuable they are and how many solutions they bring to your customers. I really want to meet that team, but first, I want the people out there to know exactly what you're here for.
Yeah, hey Arthur, thanks for being here at IMTS. My name is Felix Scholz. I'm the Managing Director of Liebherr Gear and Automation Technologies in North America. We have a great show. IMTS has been great here. We have a lot of activity, many different discussions with existing but also potential new customers. And we have a great team of experts here at IMTS to talk about your gear machine, gear metrology and automation solutions. And next, I would like to introduce you our own Scott Yoders, VP of Sales.
Well, I am so excited. Let's start with Scott and let's meet the whole team,
Yes.
okay?
Let's go.
All right, Scott. So we were just talking to Felix, and I really want to introduce you to all the people out there that are watching us. I mean, Liebherr is an amazing company. You work in so many industries. What's your role here?
Yeah, it's true. Liebherr is a big company, but our role is gear cutting. So my background is as a manufacturing engineer in gears.
Yep.
I was in automotive, and like all of our sales guys at Liebherr in the USA, we are from manufacturing engineering. But I'm responsible for sales for North America, Canada, USA, Mexico.
Okay.
For the Liebherr gear cutting machines,
Yep.
the metrology, and our gear cutting tools. So that's my responsibility at Liebherr. And yeah, with our team together, we service the North American market for sales of the gear products.
That is absolutely fantastic. Is there one thing that you love hearing about from your customers?
Well, for sure, I like the technological part of what we do. And when a customer is satisfied that a process is running well, it's a stable process, he's making good parts, usually that's when I'm the happiest because, yeah, maybe it comes from my background as a manufacturing engineer myself.
Engineers are a special breed, and somehow you survived and actually made it out of that terrible thing. I'm joking. To all the engineers, please do not send the hate. Awesome, Scott. So who do we get to meet next?
Well, I'd like to introduce you to my colleague Ted Klemm. He's responsible for our gear metrology, and it's not really an understatement to say Ted's probably the most known gear metrology guy in North America. He's been doing it for a long time, and he's got a lot of satisfied customers.
Well, I cannot wait to meet him. Let's go, Scott.
Okay, thanks, Arthur.
Well, Scott told me you are the best known metrology expert in the entire nation. How accurate is he?
I was wondering what he was saying about me, so I am happy to hear that he shares the same opinion that I have.
Well, let's introduce yourself and your title real quick before we get carried away.
Yes, all right. So my name is Ted Klemm. I am responsible for metrology inside our Liebherr organization in Saline, Michigan. So I handle all the US, pretty much in the aftermarket.
Okay.
I'm in sales, applications, and also support service scheduling.
Okay, now are you also an engineer that managed to work your way out of that terrible role?
No, I'm not. Actually, I don't have any engineering background. I pretty much started my apprenticeship years and years ago, stick with the company, and then kind of transitioned into this role in metrology. I love it. It's a great field. For the 30 plus years that I've been working for Liebherr, I always have been in the field of metrology.
Well, that is beautiful, and I know we're going to do a deep dive a little bit later with you. I can't wait to learn more about the inspection systems that you provide and the solutions you're bringing to all the people out there. So when we need to inspect gears, you are the man in the nation.
I like to think so, but probably others are going to dispute it. But yes, we're definitely going to be, I'm looking forward to show you what our metrology department can do.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much, Ted. Now, who do we get to meet next on the team?
Thanks, Arthur. We have Rob Cherba, who's in charge, who's the sales manager for our automation.
All right, well, let's bring him in. Thanks, Ted.
Thanks.
All right, Rob. Now, Ted didn't exactly say the nicest things about you. He said you're some automation guy. What do you do here with the team at Liebherr?
Yeah, thank you, Arthur. I'm the sales manager for the automation group. My responsibility is for North America. And yeah, my area of expertise is automation solutions.
Okay, I gotta confess to the people out there, he's had nothing but nice things to say about you.
That sounds more like Ted.
Yeah, you handled it very well. I was trying to throw you a curveball. The people out there, hopefully they got a chuckle. So, how long have you been in manufacturing now?
I've been in manufacturing for a long time. I started out at a small family-owned shop, started sweeping the floors actually, moved into a little bit of machining, and then got into the engineering side of the world. I've been with Liebherr now for going on 12 years, started out in sales, a little bit of proposals, project management rolled into there, but just love the challenges that this company throws at us and the challenges we get from our customers.
That is absolutely wonderful, Rob. So what's one thing, I'm sure there's a ton of things, but what's one thing that you think the team, your team doing the automation at Liebherr really sets you apart from the competition?
It's our knowledge base. We've been in the industry for a long time. We've been providing automation solutions for close to 40 years in the United States.
Okay.
So it's been able to go back on those previous jobs, look at previous examples, and be able to bring that knowledge forward to solve new challenges and bring new solutions.
That is beautiful. I love having experience at your beck and call. There's a lot of brand new ones. Not casting any shade to the other automation companies out there, but when you've got history and you've got that trial and error and you're building upon that, it makes a difference for the people out there, for the people that might be overcoming their fear when they want to automate. You got 4 decades, man. That's
Right.
a long time in the industry.
Long time.
Well, thank you so much, Rob. If anyone out there needs the automation or they need the gear cutting or they need metrology, keep tuned. We are going into more details on all of these areas. And if you're making gears, reach out to the team at Liebherr. Thank you so much, Rob.
Thank you, Arthur. Looking forward to our discussion. Thanks.
Yeah.